We'll take the next 26th verse and take 27th.
त्यक्त्वात्मानं पश्यति सोऽहम् आत्मज्ञानविहीना मूढास्ते पश्यन्ते नरकनिगूढाः ज्ञेयं गीतानाम सहस्रम् ज्ञेयं श्रीपतिरूपमजस्रम् नेयं सज्जनसङ्गे चित्तम् देयं दीनजनाय च वित्तम्.
Our favorite topic has come. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha. And there is one thing that's not mentioned, which is Ahankara. Swamiji used to say, Panch ginao panch. कौन से? काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार. So kamam, desire, krodha, anger, lobha, greed, moha, delusion. Attachment leads to delusion. Ahankar is ego, which is already dealt with, so probably he didn't mention it here. He has mentioned 4 of our favorite. Okay, kamam, krodham, lobham, moham, tyaktva. Give up. Direct instruction. Give up. How? So give up. Tyaktvaatmanam pashyati. Pashya is to see. Okay. Pashyati soham atma jnanam. Okay. So now understand that leaving the desire, anger, greed, delusion, the seeker is the disciple or the yogi, sees in the self that I am, that Atman, that Brahman, that Paramachaitanya I am. This is the realization, okay? It's a Mahavakyam. That I am. Pashyati soham. Sees, what is soham? Soham. That I am. Ham sa. I am that. So ham. That I am. Ham sa. I am that. So ham sa. That's a mantra. It's a Mahavakya. And we say so. When we keep saying so ham, it's that I am that I am, that I am, that I am. There is no difference. We thought it's only a breathing mantra. It is what I am. So ham, that I am. Tattvamasi is similar. Okay? That I am. Pashyati soham. He sees that I am. Okay? Why? Tyaktva. What he gave up? Kamam, Krodham, Lobham, Moham. Gave up. And saw that I am. Okay? Then he says, they are all fools, mudha. He has used the word mudha, who have no Atmajnana and become captives. Okay? They become jailed. They become, tied up in hell and are tortured. So we'll understand this. Pashyati soham, we understood. Okay? Next is, he says the one without Atmajnana. So he says Atmajnana vihina, without mudha. They are mudha. Okay? Te pachyante, they are going to rot or they're going to get tortured where narakani gudha. In हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, we say in Hindi, नरक में सड़ेगा, घोर नरक में सड़ेगा. It will be like very vicious hell, something like that. Narakani Gudha. It's going to be a very torturous hell that they will suffer. Who have no Atmajnana. चलो टिकट कटाते हैं. हम लोग किसको है आत्मज्ञान? We'll all go together to hell and get tortured together. The next flight we'll all go. Why? No Atmagnana. So he says, you need to Atmagnana Vihina. Without Atma, this person is Moodha, is a fool and will be tortured in hell. So there is no place, okay, where we can take the ticket and go to hell. Right now only, when we are suffering, when we are crying, when we are wailing, we are upset, we are angry, we are desirous, we are, all this is happening. This is one type of hell only, depending on the level of suffering today. So every day we are taking the ticket to hell and coming. We don't remember, that is all. It's free ticket. For heaven, you have to work hard. For sukha, you have to work hard. For naraka, कुछ नहीं करने का, बस बैठ जाओ. नरक किधर ही है, बाजू में. Just back door. I can have a trip and come. So Narakani Guda is a very easy trip. Zur, we come down that that slide, and to climb, you have to climb up. Struggle. Coming down, very simple. Just sit down and you will come. Somebody will kick you from up and you will be down in the mud. It's very simple. But climbing, nobody can make us climb. We have to climb. We have to struggle. We have to take effort, self-efforts. Coming down is very simple. Baitho, now sometimes the child will sit holding there, not wanting to go down, getting scared. And the older brother will just push them and zoop, they'll come down. It's very simple to come down. Hell is very simple. Heaven is the struggle. So then understand that Narakani Guda is where, we can suffer. We don't have to go anywhere. It's right here. So if you want to avoid this, one simple solution is, he's saying, Tyaktva, give up. What? Desires. What? Krodha, give up anger. Next, Lobha, greed. Moha, give up all this. And then attain Atmagnana, and then be in bliss in heaven. But we have to struggle, na? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, and then finally Ahankara. All this we have to struggle and give up. And then where we will be? In heaven. But I can't give up. It's out of my control. Then Narakani, Guda, Moda, all these words are coming. He is very clearly saying Atmagyana Vihina, Moodha. This person will be tortured in hell. So we start reading Garud Puran, where they say this person will be fried in hot oil. I've read all that. So Karthik was also reading. He said, Mummy, really there will be oil and they will be. He was very small when he read it. He said, they are saying they will fry in hot oil. Is it possible? They have hot oil there to fry us. So, the point is, the Garud Puran, you should read it actually. It's very, extraordinary imagination. The point is, nothing of that is physically happening. But when you're suffering, it's no better than that hot oil, okay? We suffer so much emotional drama and dhamaka, and that is only hell. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Revive, uplift yourself with your own mind. Krishna says in Gita, uplift your own self with your own mind. Solution. This is the solution. Okay?